In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a bank rule in Xero so you can automate your transaction coding and save tons of time on bookkeeping. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. On the top menu, go to the Accounting tab, scroll down until you find the bank rules. All I have to do is click the Create Rule. Now we need to add conditions. You can choose from the following options: any conditions match or all conditions match. You will see three important fields. Number one is the field wherein you choose any text field, like for example, description, payee reference, and a lot more. If you want to have a description, you can have a specific condition where you select how you want Xero to detect the transaction. For example, let's say it contains, okay, and press the value. Enter the keyword or phrase that should trigger this rule. For example, in my case, I am putting something like answer ASAP. Now let's allocate the transaction amount. You see, you can put a description here. Choose the account type. For example, it's advertising. You can put in a specific amount and press enter. You can define all the information. If you want to have more descriptions, you can do so. Of course, you need to set the reference. For example, I'm going to put in the description. Now you choose where this rule should apply. You can run this rule on a specific bank account or select all bank accounts. It's up to you. Once you are sure about the details, all I have to do is click the Save button, and that's it. Once saved, Xero will automatically create this rule to matching transactions, saving you time and reducing errors. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.